You know how Tom Cruise somehow looks exactly the same as he did in Top Gun? Meanwhile, the rest of us tried tracking calories the same way we did in the 80s, with pen, paper, and a lot of guesswork. The thing is, while Tom figured out the secret to staying young, most calorie tracking apps are still stuck in 1986. But what if I told you there's an app that's finally caught up to 2025? An app that's helped over 10 million people lose weight, not by making them work harder, but by making tracking so simple, it actually fits into real life. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how Fitia solved the biggest problem in nutrition tracking and why it might be the last calorie counting app you'll ever need. And hey, if you're ready to finally make peace with nutrition tracking, hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss on what's coming next. Let me paint you a picture. You decide to get healthy. Download a calorie tracking app. Day 1, you're motivated. You spend 10 minutes searching for grilled chicken breast and find 47 different entries. Which one is right? Nobody knows. Day 3, you're at a restaurant. Good luck finding that exact meal in the database. So you give up and guess. Day 7, you realize you've been eating 300 calories more than you thought because half of the database entries are just wrong. Crowdsourced guesswork masquerading as nutrition data. This is where most people quit. But this is exactly where Fitia begins. Here's what makes Fitia truly revolutionary. Every single piece of data in the database is verified by nutrition professionals, not crowdsourced guesses, lab-tested, professionally verified nutrition data for over 1 million foods. When you log chicken breast in Fitia, you're getting the actual nutrition values, not someone's best guess from 2019. But here's where it gets smart. Picture this. You're rushing between meetings, grab lunch from cafeteria, and you are already 5 minutes late for your next call. Normally, you'd skip logging entirely because who has the time to scroll through thousands of food options? With Fitia, you just talk to it. I had salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Boom, logged in 5 seconds. No searching, no scrolling, no time wasted. Your diet stays on track even when your schedule doesn't. Or let's say you're at a restaurant with friends. You want to enjoy yourself but also stay committed to your goals. Here's what you do. Step 1. Take a quick photo of your plate before you start eating. Step 2. Fitia analyzes the photo and gives you a solid estimate. Step 3. You get calories and macros that are close enough to keep you on track. Look, it's not laboratory precise, but it gives you the information you need to make smart choices for the rest of your day. Think of it like a GPS for your nutrition. It might not be exact to the inch, but it keeps you headed in the right direction. But Fitia doesn't just track what you eat, it tells you what to eat. Tell Fitia your goals and it creates a complete meal plan that hits your exact calorie and macro targets. Want to lose 15 pounds? Here's your plan. Building muscle, different plan, perfectly calculated. And here's something brilliant that saves you time and money. You know that moment when you open your fridge and just stare at random ingredients wondering what to make? Step 1. Tell Fitia what ingredients you have. Let's say you've got chicken, broccoli, and rice. Step 2. Fitia instantly shows you recipes you can make with exactly those ingredients. Step 3. Pick a recipe that fits your calorie goals for the day. Step 4. Follow the simple instructions to cook a meal that tastes great and keeps you on track. No more food waste, no more decision fatigue, no more ordering takeout because you can't figure out what to cook. Every suggestion comes with step-by-step recipes created by nutrition experts. And here's the game changer. If you want control, use their meal plan builder. It suggests meals that fit your remaining calories perfectly, like having a nutritionist in your pocket. Okay, but does it actually work? Let me show you something. Isabella, 22 pounds lost in 4 months. Carlos went from 231 pounds to 192 pounds. Emma, 11 pounds in just 2 months. These aren't cherry-picked success stories. This is what happens when you remove the friction from nutrition tracking. Fitia tracks everything: weight, measurements, body fat percentage. You see exactly how your daily choices impact your long-term results. And here's what I've realized. The problem was never our willpower. The problem was that tracking calories was so frustrating and inaccurate that it was impossible to succeed. Fitia fix that. Look, I get it. You've probably tried calorie counting before, maybe multiple times, and it never stuck. But here's the thing. Fitia has a genuinely useful free version. Basic tracking, goal setting, food logging. Try it. See if it feels different. The AI photo tracking, personalized meal plans, shopping lists, that's Fitia Premium. But honestly, compared to hiring a nutritionist or buying meal delivery services, it's incredibly affordable. The best app isn't the one with the most features, it's the one you'll actually use every single day. So download Fitia today, join 10 million people who finally made peace with nutrition tracking. And if this helped you find your next favorite app, make sure to subscribe to Mobile App Daily. We test and review the apps that actually matter, the ones that genuinely change your daily routine, because your goals deserve better than guesswork.